This gonna be an incredible wire jewelry tutorial. Do you remember making wire coil with this tool? If you don't, just go to this video and learn how. After you make a wire coil, you could do anything. In this video, we are going to wrap this wire coil around a wire of about 1.5 diameter, just like an helix. This is going to be the decorative part of our wire jewelry. Then we need a ring. Pick up your 1 millimeter wire and roll it around your mandrel or your marker of your ring size, and then cut it out. You could put the decorative part into that, and that would be like this, so beautiful, and you could do some changes as you desire. The second way to making this wire jewelry is to hammering the wire ring. Just pick up your hammer and do like this. After that, you have a flattened wire. Now put your wire coil that you have made like an helix into that flattened wire ring, and that could be like this. And just remember to fix the decorative part into the ring with your round nose pliers, and then again with your round nose pliers make the tail of the ring rounded, just like this. Now let's try it out and compare this with that previous one. That is so beautiful, isn't it? What do you think about it? Just comment it below. And at the end, don't forget to fix this decorative part to the ring. I hope you would enjoy this tutorial. Subscribe to learn more. Bye-bye.